Is your mortgage up for renewal at this time when the Bank of Canada continues to hike the interest rates? If so, these are the things you need to know. Prime rate has increased by 3.5% since March of this year. So you can expect your renewals to be at a higher rate than they were when you signed 5 years ago. Be wary of early renewals. Sometimes this does make sense, but in this environment where rates are higher than they have been in well over a decade, chances are your renewal rate is higher than the rate that you had for the last 5 years. So why would you renew early? That doesn't really make sense, does it? Also, if you renew early, sometimes there's a penalty associated with that. So make sure you look into that prior to accepting that early renewal. If you have high interest debt, now at renewal time is a good time to consider consolidating that debt into your mortgage, which requires a refinance. So definitely talk to a mortgage broker about your options prior to signing that renewal. Paying less interest overall makes sense. Consider a shorter mortgage term. You can get mortgages for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So do you really want to renew for 5 years, especially if you're going to lock into a 5-year fixed at rates when they're at their highest they've been in years? It might be a good idea to look into the shorter rate terms and see what options are available. Even if the rate is higher now, at least you're only locked into it for 2 to 3 years rather than 5. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.